All right, put a pair of pliers on the cam on here, tried to turn it, wouldn't turn, it was froze up there. So took the caps off, checked them out, you know, they don't look too bad. Don't know why the cam wouldn't turn. Pop the cam off. Here's the cam. The bolt was stuck in the cams. It was broke off. Somebody torqued it. They stretched it so much that it broke off. And a little timing tip got sheared off. You can see that in there. It's just, yeah. And here's the broken bolt. Anyway, so pulled off the rocker arms and found that there is a valve missing somewhere in here. So now, next step, unfortunately, gotta pull off the head and make sure there's no damage inside this thing. Woohoo! Lucky me.